Get a better look. Get a better look. Guys, welcome back. My name is Michelle. If you are new, welcome. If you are an all-time subscriber, welcome back. Created this brown orange like smoky look for you guys, you know, because this fall or whatever, and I really like it. Like, please subscribe to my channel for more content. All right, so we are going to start with outlining my brows, and I am taking the NYX micro brow pencil, and this is in the shade Espresso. I'm gonna brush my hairs up. Then I'm gonna take the other side, and I'm just going to like trace out my natural brow. I only use this brow to just kind of trace my brows out because I feel like the other product that I use actually makes them, so I feel like the brow pomade that I actually use to not carve my brows but to fill in my brows looks a little harsh, so I don't usually use that anymore to kind of fill my brows, or carve my brows, I should say. I'm going in with this old ass Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow. It says you're supposed to dispose of this 6 months. I probably had this maybe like 2 years. Terrible, right? But I'm just gonna take this dip brow pomade. I'm just gonna fill my brows in. I'm gonna use this MAC. I'm just gonna trace my eyebrows. Well, not trace, because I've already traced them, but I'm gonna shade in my brows. So now that we carved the brows out, I'm going in with this Maybelline Brow Precise Illuminator, and I'm just going to carve my brows out with this. Now I'm going to prep my eyes. I'm going to use that same concealer that I used to carve out my brows, and I'm just going to, I should zoom in for you guys so you guys can actually kind of see what I'm doing. Go in with the Morphe 3502 palette. I love this palette. Oop. It has so many like pretty neutral shades. Look at that. I'm gonna go first in with, I have the sheet right here because this is the only way I can keep up with knowing what is what. So I try to keep this translucent paper thing on here just so I know what is what. I'm gonna go in with this shade up here called Universal. I'm taking the Morphe M441 blending brush. I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna take my paper again. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna go in with Orb, this orange like looking shade right here. I'm gonna use that same brush and kind of just keep this like right underneath where I placed that other shade. Which is right here. This orange is like a darker orange shade. I'm gonna go in with this Morphe M514 blending brush just to kind of get more deeper into the crease area. This shade right here called Brunette. This is like a rich like chocolate shade right here. I'm gonna pack this on my lid. Go in with that brush that I put that brick shade. I'm just going to blend this out. I'm gonna blend the brown out. Now I am going in with this Wet n Wild face primer. I'm just going to apply this on my face. Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. And I'm just going to be applying this to the spots that pores are like really prone to show. Next, I'm going in with the Hourglass foundation, and this is in the shade Golden Amber. This is like a cream base. I shouldn't be using this because I get oily as hell. So, but I really just like how this foundation kind of glides on like butter, but my skin is like oily. So probably by the end of this video, I'll be like a grease ball. This is a really good foundation, but I do not recommend it for somebody who is oily. Because before the end of the night, not even before the night, say if you're going out, before you even step out the door, I feel like, oh damn, I forgot to add color corrector. Oh well. In my brush with this Maybelline Master Fix Setting Spray. This makes the foundation, I feel like, glide on a little bit better. I'm taking, again, this, oop, it's upside down, this Maybelline Brow Precise Concealer, and I am in the shade 320 Deep. It's like a highlighter brush, but I'm gonna just blend this concealer out with it. This is not bright enough. What is this? I'm gonna go in with the NARS biscuit just a little bit, because after I blended that concealer in, it definitely just looked like my skin. Then I'm taking the Ben Nye Luxury Powder. Contour palette, like to me. Taking that same brush that I use to set my under eye, I'm going in with this shade right here, Sculpt. I'm just going to in with this MAC Gold Deposit highlighter. I'm taking this brush right here. I'm gonna, swivel my little brush on here. is Maybelline Fit Me. Lashes that I'm using are the Eyeliner lashes. I'm gonna apply these offline. I mean, not offline. I'm gonna apply these off camera for you guys, and I'll be right back. Remote London Full Color Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Epic. It's like a mauve pink color. Milani, and it is called Nude Cream.